Hey, Cohen here. Really quickly, someone just actually did a pretty cool interview with. Got something on me. I just did a really cool interview. I was being interviewed for someone's show, and the topic of networking came up. And as you guys know, I'm big on networking. It wasn't something that I was always a component for, right? Being someone that has introverted tendencies, just the idea of networking used to just, it wasn't my thing. But so while on this show, the idea of networking that came up, and someone said, without continuous networking, your business will be dead, right? And I kind of disagreed with that. As a matter of fact, I wholeheartedly disagree with that. As you guys know, one of the things that I'm always talking about is that the number one should never be the only number in your business. As a matter of fact, I even go as far as to say that the number one is the most dangerous number when it comes to doing business, right? So yes, networking should be a big part of your business, but so should other ways of generating leads and customers, right? It should be paid advertising. It should be word of mouth, right? And that's partly networking to a degree, but it also should be, if you're not using like direct mail, it should be email, it should be social media. There's so many other ways that you can bring in leads and customers that you should never, ever consider just using one. So I hope this helps you out. Remember, continue to think big and always continue to never rely on just the number one.